Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can connect your Dell laptop to a Wi-Fi network. So let's get started. First, go to the bottom right corner of your screen, where you'll see the network, volume, and battery icons. Click on the quick settings area near those icons to open the menu. Now look for the Wi-Fi button. If Wi-Fi is turned off, click on it once to enable it. After that, click on the small arrow next to the Wi-Fi option to view all available wireless networks nearby. Find the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to and click on it. If this is your personal or home network, you can enable the Connect Automatically option, so your laptop joins the network automatically in the future. Next, click on Connect and type in your Wi-Fi password. Make sure the password is entered correctly because Wi-Fi passwords are case sensitive. Once you've entered it, click Next or Connect. After a few seconds, your Dell laptop should connect to the network successfully. You'll know it worked when the status changes to Connected or Connected Secured. If your Wi-Fi icon is missing or you can't see any available networks, it could be because Wi-Fi is disabled or there's a driver issue on your laptop. In that case, you may need to restart your device or update the wireless drivers from Dell support. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.